Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with our selection of the best Spin Mop and bucket sets. Engineered for efficiency and convenience, these sets streamline your cleaning routine, tackling dirt and grime with ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best spin, mop, and bucket sets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which household supplies you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Venetio iMOP Spin Mop, ranked as the number 5 best spin mop and bucket sets. With its innovative features and sleek design, the iMOP revolutionizes the chore of mopping. The 360-degree rapid spin clean feature makes mopping effortless. Simply engage the spin latch and watch as dirt and grime are swiftly whisked away from the microfiber mop head. The patented internal water filtration system ensures a superior clean by removing dirt particles from both the water and mop head. Designed for convenience and ease of use, the iMOP is lightweight and maneuverable, weighing just over 2.5 pounds. Its adjustable telescopic handle allows for customizable length catering to all users and reaching tricky spots with ease. Eco-conscious consumers will appreciate the water-efficient design, requiring only half a gallon of water per use. With its clean, minimalistic design and easy setup, the iMOP adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. Priced at an affordable $54, the Venetio iMOP Spin Mop offers exceptional value for a top-tier cleaning experience. Meet the Mastertop B07 Mop Bucket with Wringer set, ranked as the number 4 best spin mop and bucket sets. Engineered to accommodate a variety of floor types, this set comes with 5 replaceable Thicket microfiber mop heads and 1 floor brush, ensuring exceptional absorption and performance on laminate, hardwood, ceramic tiles, and glass surfaces. To maximize efficiency, ensure the mop head is fully wet before use and securely loaded into the rotary bucket. Versatility is key with this mop and bucket set, featuring a 3.17-gallon bucket with a detachable drying wringer suitable for all sizes of sponges, rags, or wet mops. The drying wringer can also be utilized in the sink for added convenience. Maneuvering the bucket is effortless thanks to its long move handle and 2 large light wheels, facilitating easy transport from room to room. The Deluxe 360-degree rotating microfiber mop head ensures thorough cleaning, whether wet or dry, leaving your floors gleaming. This spin mop bucket comes with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year replacement warranty, all at a reasonable price of $58. Discover the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket, ranked as the number 3 best spin mop and bucket sets. This innovative floor cleaning system offers a comprehensive solution for your home, effectively eliminating dirt, grime, and over 99% bacteria with just water, ensuring a deep clean on all hard floor surfaces including hardwood, laminate, tile, and more. The hands-free wringing feature, coupled with a splash guard to contain water splashes, makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without worrying about mess or spills. The washable and reusable microfiber mop refills ensure sustainability and cost-effectiveness, enabling you to tackle messes without constantly buying replacements. Thanks to its deep cleaning microfiber technology, this system effortlessly captures dirt and grime without the need for harsh chemicals, promoting a healthier environment for your family and pets. With its unique triangular mop head and 360-degree rotation capability, it reaches and cleans even the toughest spots, including corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. For added convenience, stock up on extra mop refills to ensure you're always prepared for daily cleaning tasks, priced at a reasonable $42. Introducing the RinseWise Spin Mop and Bucket, recognized as the number 2 best spin mop and bucket sets. This innovative cleaning solution revolutionizes your cleaning routine with its unique features and exceptional value. Hygiene is paramount, and the RinseWise Spin Mop prioritizes cleanliness with its separate clean and dirty water system. Perfect for households with pets, seniors, or busy individuals, it ensures effortless and effective cleaning for pristine floors every time. At $59, this cost-effective package includes not only the mop and bucket, but also 3 replacement mop heads, extending the lifespan of your cleaning tools and providing ongoing freshness. No more frequent replacements, just long-lasting use. Convenience is key, and the 61-inch extended handle enables easy reach to tackle those hard-to-access areas without straining your back. Plus, with hands-free wringing, cleaning becomes even more convenient. Simply activate the mechanism, and excess water is efficiently removed, streamlining the process. Versatility is built in, as this mop is designed to work effectively on various floor types, from hardwood to tile to laminate. Gentle yet powerful, it ensures your floors remain pristine and undamaged. Say hello to the Mastertop LR Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set, acclaimed as the #1 choice among spin mop and bucket sets. This innovative system boasts a versatile wet or dry feature, capable of rotating 360 degrees to reach every nook and cranny of your floors, be it ceramic, hardwood, tile, and more. Elevate your household cleaning with its high-quality stainless steel handle, ensuring durability and longevity, while the microfiber mop guarantees efficient and non-damaging cleanliness. Effortlessly dry the mop head with a convenient foot pedal, reducing strain and potential back pain. With each purchase, you'll receive 5 microfiber mop refills and 5 cleaning cloths, providing extended utility without the need for immediate replacements. Furthermore, our commitment to customer satisfaction is unwavering, offering a 30-day return policy and a 1-year replacement guarantee, priced at a reasonable $64. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.